In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wi-Fi on a Delta flight in 2025. Let's dive right into it, because staying connected while flying can make your journey more enjoyable and productive. Whether you're catching up on emails, streaming your favorite shows, or browsing the web. First, what you'll want to do is visit the Delta Airlines website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, delta.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice options for booking flights, cars, and hotels. But we're focusing on something a bit more specialized today. Next, look for the login option, which you'll find at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Here, you'll input your Delta account username and password. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one. It simplifies your travel experience and keeps all your information and bookings in one place. Once you're logged in, head back to the Delta homepage. Now that you are signed in, you'll have full access to all the features and services Delta offers, including their in-flight internet services. Now, let's find that Wi-Fi information. You'll want to navigate to the onboard Wi-Fi section. On the top navigation bar, hover over the Travel Info link. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Onboard Wi-Fi. Here, you'll find detailed information about the Wi-Fi services available on Delta flights. The page will explain the different packages, how to buy them, and what kind of internet connectivity you can expect on your journey. This is crucial as it helps you decide if you want to pre-purchase Wi-Fi before you fly. To proceed further, click on the How to Connect link. This section will walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting to Wi-Fi once you're on the aircraft. It's designed to be user-friendly, providing straightforward instructions on connecting your device, be it a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. And there you have it. Remember, being connected at 30,000 feet isn't just a luxury anymore. It can be quite necessary. Whether you're looking to be productive, entertained, or just killing time, having access to Wi-Fi can make your flight a breeze. Just follow these steps to get yourself all set up well before your flight takes off. Safe travels, and may your journey be as smooth as your internet connection.